Did you know that over 90% of day traders actually lose money in the stock market? Yeah, it's true, but don't let that scare you off. With the right tips and tricks, you can be part of the 10% that actually profits. Let's dive in. Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about stock market tips for beginners, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you've ever thought about investing or are just starting out, these tips can help you make money fast. The stock market is an exciting place where many people have made their fortunes, but it can also be daunting if you don't know what you're doing. So, sit back, take some notes, and let's get started on your journey to financial success. Alright, let's kick things off with our first tip. The key to making money in the stock market is to start small. I know. Everyone wants to go big or go home, right? But starting with smaller investments allows you to learn without risking too much. Think of it as your training wheels. Look for stocks that are low cost but have high potential. This way you can gradually build your portfolio and confidence. So grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to jot this down. Now that we've got that first tip down, let's dive into some more strategies. One of the best moves you can make is to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you invest in a variety of stocks from different industries, you're less likely to lose everything if one sector takes a hit. For example, if you invest in tech stocks and suddenly there's a market downturn, your other investments in healthcare or consumer goods can help balance things out. Another crucial tip is to keep an eye on market trends. This means you should stay updated on economic news and understand how global events can affect stock prices. For instance, if there's a new law affecting the tech industry, you might want to research how that could impact your tech stocks. I remember when there was a major shift in renewable energy policies, those who jumped on green energy stocks early saw their investments soar. And speaking of trends, have you ever heard of dollar cost averaging? This strategy involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money into a particular stock, regardless of its price. It's like setting up a subscription service for your investments. Over time, you'll buy more shares when prices are low, and fewer shares when they're high, which can help average out your costs and reduce the impact of volatility. Now, let's talk about the struggles that beginners often face. One common pitfall is emotional trading. It's super easy to get caught up in the excitement or panic of the market. Trust me, I've been there. The key is to stick to your strategy and not let fear or greed dictate your decisions. Remember, it's important to do your research and make informed choices rather than reacting impulsively. Another issue is falling for the hype. You might hear about a stock that everyone is talking about and it sounds amazing, but that doesn't mean it's a good investment for you. Always do your own research. Look at the company's fundamentals, market position, and future potential before jumping in. This way you can avoid costly mistakes that many beginners make. Alright, here's the big moment, the most impactful tip that could change your investment game. It's all about setting realistic goals. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. Instead, focus on creating a sustainable investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Whether you want to save for retirement, buy a home, or just grow your wealth, having clear objectives will guide your decisions and keep you motivated. And remember, patience is key. The stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying consistent and disciplined, you'll be well on your way to achieving those goals. So, to wrap it all up, we've covered some essential stock market tips for beginners. Start small, diversify your investments, keep an eye on market trends, avoid emotional trading, and set realistic goals. With these strategies in your toolkit, you have the potential to make money in the stock market and build a solid financial future. Remember, it's all about the right knowledge and approach. The more you learn, the better your chances of success. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried any of these strategies? Or do you have questions about getting started? We'd love to hear from you. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into the world of investing, check out our next video where we'll discuss the best stocks to watch in the upcoming months. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!